In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a custom font to Wix step by step. If you're building a website and want to use your own brand fonts instead of the default ones, this is the easiest and fastest way to do it inside Wix Studio. This works great for designers, business owners, and anyone who wants their site to look more professional and unique. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that manages your website. Once Wix Studio loads, open the site where you want to add the custom font. You can do this by selecting your project from the dashboard and opening it in the editor. This will take you into the main Wix Studio editing interface where you can customize your site. Next, select any text element on your page. You can click on heading, paragraph, or any text box that already exists. This step is important because the font options only appear once a text element is selected. After clicking the text, look at the text editing toolbar and click on the Font dropdown. This is where Wix shows all available fonts for your site. Once the font menu opens, scroll through the list and look for the option that says Upload Fonts. This option allows you to add your own custom font files instead of using Wix's built-in font library. Click on Upload Fonts to continue. Now, click the Upload Fonts button again when the upload window appears. Wix will prompt you to choose a font file from your computer. Select your font file and upload it. Wix typically supports common font formats like OTF, TTF, and WOF, so make sure your font is saved in one of those formats before uploading. After selecting the file, confirm the upload and wait a few seconds for Wix to process it. Once the upload is complete, your custom font will automatically appear in the font list. You can now select it and apply it to your text instantly. From here, you can use the font anywhere on your site, including headings, paragraphs, buttons, and other text elements. This makes it easy to maintain consistent branding across your entire website. Before you finish, it's a good idea to preview your site to make sure the font looks correct on different screen sizes. If everything looks good, don't forget to save and publish your site so that changes go live. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and applied a custom font in Wix Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.